Meta Quest 3S. Is it the best budget VR headset yet? Looking to jump into VR without spending a fortune? The new Meta Quest 3S promises powerful mixed reality at an affordable price. But is it actually worth buying in 2025? Let's find out. With 2x the graphics power of the Quest 2, the 3S delivers smoother gameplay and sharper visuals. The high-resolution display is ideal for immersive games, workouts, or cinematic experiences. If you hated screen door effects before, this might be your fix. Experience smooth gameplay with 2x the graphical processing power compared to Quest 2. The high-resolution display brings virtual objects to life with incredible clarity. It's time to say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless VR adventures. The headset is wireless and lightweight, letting you move freely whether you're slicing beats or dodging zombies. The redesigned controllers are precise and responsive, with haptic feedback that adds realism without feeling bulky. This isn't just VR, it's mixed reality. You can blend digital environments with your real space. Want to paint with the world as your canvas? Now you can. Your imagination is your only limitation. Use the Quest 3S for more than games. Watch YouTube, host watch parties, browse the web in VR, and even cast to your TV. If you've been on the fence about trying VR, the Meta Quest 3S is your sign to dive in. It packs serious performance, a growing app library, and the flexibility to game, stream, and socialize all without needing a PC or console. Check the link in the description to grab yours on Amazon today. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. What's the first VR game you'd try?